KICKASSETS. Cha-ching!
Alright, so today we are going to see this property today. I thought it had parking. I really did. I got tricked. The picture looked like it had parking, but it's not. Enough room for a motorcycle, but not a car.さあこれちょっと錆びてるよね。大丈夫かなこれ。落ちるかな。あれ。ちょっと待って。ですね。いらっしゃいませ。靴は
はい脱いでもらって、
はい。あ、今まで人が住んでたんですか？
もうだいぶ前までですね。今はもういらっしゃらないんで、ちょっと影とか残ったままなんですけど。
ああ、そのままですね。エアコンがあったところですね。こっちに巣の壁。これ綺麗ですね。Very nice. So the person hasn't been here in a while. He didn't say what happened. He just said it's been open for a while. So. Oh. This is the shower room. Nice. That's brand new. Ready? So there's a brand new washroom in here. It's important. This is like $1 million yen saved. It's a decent quality one too, other than the window being stacked with garbage outside. Toilet. Old piece of junk. Kitchen's quite small. Obviously needs a new kitchen. Even though it's electric right now. Should have wore a mask. I didn't think it'd be this bad. So, got tools. It's one of those Mickey games again. Where are the scissors? Oh, I found them. Where's the hammer? It's here. Where's the gum tape? Here it is. Okay. You got stairs. Stairs are quite strong. Oh. Stairs is quite. Oh. Upstairs is quite big, actually. Tell me that. It's not bad. What kind of view do you get from here is the question. Lots of Japanese glasses and stuff like that. Got a road down there. Oh, looky here. More dolls. Huh. What is that? Ping pong? I don't know what the heck that is. Weird. Dust. So by the thickness of the dust, you can tell how long nobody's been here. So that looks about to be a year and 9 months. Oh, more stuff in the closet. VHS tapes. Oh, look at that. Money. You can actually help yourself to some money here. What's this one here? What is that? Huh. Old coins. Oh, it comes with an American dime. So obviously this person's traveled to America. 100 yen. So they got letters here too, which we won't look at. So maybe they had a buddy in America. That's cool. There's actually money here. So technically, if you buy the house as is, you get a little discount. Probably about 492 yen. But with the current exchange rate for American dollars, it's probably okay. Now, you think that's crazy? Look at this. Oh my god. There's actually money in a wallet here. 1,000 and 2,000 yen. That's an old one, actually. Wow. Comes with cash. Now, have you ever seen that before? Not me. Jeez. You can get a glimpse of the guy's head, too. But I won't share it with you, just privacy's sake. So, that's insane. It's too bad. So if you like collecting money and coins and well, that comes with some money. I mean, I have that 1,000 yen bill myself at my house already. So stereo system, shelves. Ah, Kumamoto Castle. Cool. Guess the guy liked fishing. Batteries, anyone? You never know what you're gonna find in these houses. That's the first time I've actually found money in your face like that. Besides money, I found it elsewhere. But like just like that with a wallet, that's really weird. Your next close house is quite close. Oh, we have a small little room here. Records. What's that? Oh, you know any of these people? No. I did find records in one of my other houses. Stuff I actually knew. Sam and Dave. So we got pictures here too. Because kind of people there. Oh, it's pictures from the old days, huh? I won't bother people with that. I usually look at them in other houses, but you know, trying to be polite. Oh, we got an old typewriter. Sharp. WD-20H. Another stereo system in here. A balcony. Let's see if this is actually solid or not. Can I step on it? Yep. Still works. Interesting. So you got a little, I don't say view, but you got, it's not stamped in. You got a road in front of you, which is good, which makes it rebuildable, that's for sure. Bell. Also interesting trinkets in here. Trinkets? Boxes of stuff. I know what it's like going through things, you know. Oh, magnet. Yeah. Oh, there's a closet here. Blends in with the wall so well I didn't even notice. Let's see if it opens actually. Yeah, just futons in there. Oh. Not only you find money in the house, but we found a stamp. This is one of those Mickey games. You're finding everything in this place. So this guy was a coin and stamp collector. Just like I was at one point when I was a kid. Now I just do coins. But even though I'm not heavily into it. So we got one room here, which is not bad. This wall is still good as is. Actually, you don't have to do anything. It's old style, like it's 70s or whatever maybe, but... I'm sorry, not 70s, 80s? Yeah, 80s I think. But it still looks in good condition. Maybe it was redone. So you got that, you got rooms here, so... Problem is the air cons. It's quite hot in here, as you know. Well, actually, you don't know. I'm feeling it right now. It's quite hot, so... Yeah. Is this another closet here? Yep, more bedding. Interesting. Well, that's cool. Oh, that's all we have, folks. Really nice staircase, that's for sure. There's a lot of these dead-end streets down here. Got a new house here. Old house in the corner there. Konnichiwa. Got some nice big houses around here, that's for sure. That house looks pretty old. Nature in the back there actually looks pretty nice. Well, that's the neighborhood, folks. That's the neighborhood. That's the older houses here. Interesting. Old people, a lot of old people around here. Oh, is that a company over there? Factory? It's not a house. Interesting. Alright. That's the neighborhood, folks. That's the neighborhood. Wow. There's a temple nearby as well. Look at that. Got some guards here. Ooh. There's a big one. There you are. There's another one over here. Cool. Very nice. Special area here. Very peaceful. Interesting.